students, how are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. So today's topic is the world around me. So we see different kinds of things around us about which we are going to read in this chapter. So let's begin. We live in a world full of different kinds of things. Plants and animals are two most important part of our living world. They are our real friends. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें आसपास होती हैं, but among everything, plants हमारे सबसे अच्छे friends होते हैं. And how is that? Let's find out. Plants are very useful to us. They give us many things like fruits and vegetables, medicines, paper, pencil and eraser, oxygen to breathe. So these are the reasons why plants are really important. They give us medicines, they give us paper to write on, they give us different kinds of medicines also, and then oxygen to breathe also. Plants and trees are also useful to birds and animals. They provide food and shelter to birds and animals. Many birds make nests on the branches of trees. Many animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. Birds like to eat fruits and worms that live on trees. Monkey and squirrels like to eat fruits and nuts. So plants are very useful for us also, and alongside this, जितने plants के ऊपर बहुत सारे animals रहते हैं, they are also dependent on plants for one or another thing. And then animals like cows, giraffes and deer eat grass. Most plants need 4 things to live. These are soil, water, sunlight, air. These are the 4 things जो maximum plants को ज़रूरी होता है in order for them to survive properly. So green plants are very special because they can make their own food using these 4 things. इन चारों चीज़ों को use करके plants अपना खाना खुद ही बना लेते हैं. So they would die without even one of these things. The paper is made out of wood pulp. Every year, millions of trees are cut down so that we can get the paper we need. So we must not waste paper. So among these 4 things, एक भी चीज़ अगर missing होगी, plants नहीं survive कर पाएंगे. And then we also get wood pulp from the trees, and then we make paper out of it. And that is why paper को waste नहीं करना है. Now, can you think of 2 ways to save paper? Plants are our friends and we must take care of them. We must plant more trees because they also help to clean the air around us. We must water plants in our home and school regularly. And because ये सारे reasons जो अभी हमने पढ़े, वो हमें साफ-साफ बताते हैं that why plants are really important for us. And hence, we should not waste any bit of paper also so that we can have more and more trees. Animals. Like plants, animals too give us many things. Can you name some? So let's see. We get milk from cow, eggs from hen, meat from goat, and then we get different kinds of stuff like paper from the plants, and then we get wool from sheep. Tigers, lions, deer and elephants are called wild animals. They live in jungles. Some animals like dogs and cats live closer to our homes. अब wild animals होते हैं यानी कि जंगली जानवर जो forest में रहते हैं. Then certain animals like dogs, cows, buffaloes, cats ये आपके घरों के आसपास भी आपको देखने को मिल जाती हैं. Pets are animals we keep at home. They are tame. They become our friends. We like to give them names and take care of them. Do some of you have pets? Akash has a pet dog called the Sheru. Anu has a pet rabbit called Twist. Everyone loves to watch Neha's pet goldfish whose name is Pretty. So pets आपके वो animals होते हैं that you can keep at your homes and then you love to take care of them for different kinds of purposes. For example, here are a couple of names that have pets and they have certain names also. Dog, cat, fish, कुछ भी आप as a pet रख सकते हैं. Now, can you name some other animals that can be kept as pets? So we have dogs, cats, parrots, rabbits, anything that you like, you can keep them as pets. But they should not be wild animals. HOTS, higher order thinking skills. We should not harm plants and animals because when we harm them, we actually harm ourselves. Do you find yourself agree with this? So we should never harm any animals that we see. Now, multiple choice questions. You have certain questions like choose the correct answers, and this you have to answer on your own. Now, let's move ahead towards exercises. Oral questions. Name 2 animals which live on trees. For example, monkeys, squirrels, and then who help to clean the air around us, and these are the trees. Now, take the correct option. Plants are very useful. Option C. Plants also provide shelter. Option A. Wild animals live in jungles. Option C. Find the animals. Given below are the means of the animals in the grid. Mark the small animals with the blue crayon and the big animals with a red crayon. So you have dog, cat, cow, horse, bird, lion, bear, tiger, rat, mouse. You have a grid below these names. आपके जितने भी छोटे छोटे से animals हैं उनको आपको blue crayon से encircle करके mark करना है, and then the big animals you will mark it with the red crayon. Fill in the blanks with the correct words given below. So we have nest, pets, plants, animals, green, food, shelter, burrow as options. Let's find out. Dash and dash are our friends, plants and animals. Trees provide food and home or shelter to birds and animals. Many birds make nest on the branches of trees. Green plants can make their own food. Dash are animals we keep at home. Pets, a rabbit lives in a burrow. Now write T for true and F for false statements. Plant and trees give us many things. True, plants and trees are useful to humans only. False, most plants need soil, water, sunlight and air to live. That is true, and we should water plants only once in a month. False. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. True. Match the following by drawing lines. So milk we get it from cow. So you will make a mark and then you will match it to option second. Eggs we get it from hen, option 4. Meat we get it from goat, option first. Silk we get it from silkworm, option 5. Wool we get it from sheep, option 3. And shrub, so shrub is a tulsi, so option number 6. Answer the following questions. So these questions you have to answer on your own. Now there's an activity and you will just read it out. You will follow the instructions, and this also you have to do on your own. Now there's a project. Let's see what do we have. Now this is a project work that you will follow the instructions, you will read it thoroughly, you can take the help of your teachers and your classmates as well, and please do it yourselves. Now students, with that we are done with this chapter. I hope you've understood each and everything. Just follow up the chapter again and again, revise it thoroughly, and rest of the exercise questions, please do it yourselves.